going on, beautiful bees? Hope you guys are doing fabulous. Today I want to show you just a quick video on how I make grape juice, and this is just really quick, simple. I love using dark grapes. The darker the fruit, the more flavonoids, the more antioxidants. So that's why I always choose the darker grapes. But you know, whatever grapes you can find is, you know, awesome by me. And so I'll show you guys what I do. All right, so what I do is I just get my blender ready and I toss in a whole lot of grapes. So we're gonna be blending this up. Once it's all blended, I just pour it over this sifter in this big bowl, and what you're left with is delicious grape juice. So here's the grape juice. This didn't take long at all, and it's, you know, super awesome if you don't have a juicer. It's just one way of doing a quick and easy grape juice, and let's try it out. So good, you guys. There's nothing better like freshly squeezed juice of any kind. Grape juice is one of my favorites, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. A lot more videos to come. As always, be alkaline, be yourself, and be getting in some raw foods today. Cheers.